In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful template in Kit. We'll walk through a simple visual-first workflow that helps you build an email template that looks modern, on-brand, and really easy to read. I'll explain what each action does so you understand not just how to click around, but why these choices make your emails look more professional. First, open Kit and head to the Send section, then choose Email Templates. This is where all of your reusable designs live. Instead of starting from something old or cluttered, create a fresh design by clicking the New Email Template button. When you're prompted to pick how to begin, select Starting Point. This gives you a clean, modern foundation to build on without any distracting legacy styles. Before you start dragging in content, it's important to set your global styles. Look for the styles icon in the sidebar. It usually looks like a little paintbrush. Here, you're defining the overall look and feel for the entire email so everything is consistent. For the background, choose a subtle off-white for the outer canvas and keep the actual email body pure white. This creates a nice card effect where your email feels like a crisp white card floating on a soft backdrop. It's a simple trick that instantly makes your design feel more polished and intentional. Next, set your typography. Choose a clean, modern font such as Inter or Open Sans. These are widely used for a reason. They're easy to read on screens and they give your emails a premium, contemporary feel. Set the line height to around 1.6. That extra spacing between lines dramatically improves readability, especially on mobile devices, and prevents your text from feeling cramped. Now add your brand header. Click near the top of the template, then hit the plus icon and choose Image. Upload a high-resolution version of your logo. Center it or align it according to your brand guidelines, and make sure it's not too large. You want it to be prominent, but not overwhelming. This header quickly tells readers who the email is from and anchors the rest of your design. Scroll down to the footer area to create what's often called a super signature. Instead of a plain nameline, add a snippet that includes your headshot, your key social links, and a standard call to action you use frequently. This could be something like booking a call or visiting your main page. Because it's a snippet, you can reuse this same signature across multiple emails without rebuilding it every time. Next, customize your button style. In the sidebar, find the button settings and choose a bold brand color that stands out against your white email body. This is usually your primary brand color. Adjust the border radius to either around 5 pixels for a subtle rounded corner or up to 30 pixels for a more pilled capsule-style button. Both options look modern. The key is to keep it consistent across all your templates so your readers recognize your calls to action instantly. Once you're happy with the overall look, save your template. After saving, you'll be taken back to the template gallery. Here, find the template you just created and click the checkmark icon to set it as your default. This step ensures that every time you start a new email, Kit will automatically use this beautiful, consistent design as your starting point, saving you time and keeping your brand experience cohesive across all your sends.